Okay, what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to finish this top part of the walking stick up. It's not anything close to how I wanted it, but I think I had explained before, I think I got the coils too close, things like that, and I'm just not um, 100% in how I can do things. So I need to get a little sandpaper here, and I want to just clean up some things. Well, everyone, I am going to use the wood stain. It's a Rust-Oleum. It seems like I've used it before, but I don't remember. And it's called Kona, Kona, and it's real dark. I tried it on another piece of aspen, and it seemed to be pretty good. So, but we'll see how it goes. Got my gloves on and stuff, and towel, and we'll see how she goes now. It looks like mud when you first put it on, I'll tell you. Hoping I'm getting this on camera. I don't know how long I should let this real dark stuff set. But I'm going to wipe it down here a little ways at the bottom. Yeah, I think I'm going to take that part of it off now. Yeah, not looking too bad. By golly. Have to see what it looks like once we get it up here on the carved stuff. So, here we go. This ought to be fun. Now they used to have, I don't know, they might still have it. They used to have spray-on stain in cans. Boy, that would be just the ticket for this, I'll tell you. Once I get this part of the snake done, I will wipe it down. Like I said, I'm not real thrilled with the way this came out, but I wanted to finish it anyway, just to show that I finished it, you know. Get the handle of the grip area. That's going to be wrapped with leather. Okay, now let me wipe this down a little bit here. Well, I guess for a goofed up walking stick, it's not too bad. Oops, I see a white spot. Another white spot. I'm going to put a little more around on the bottom there. And I'm just going to let it sit for a while I do the top. Okay. Get the top here. I don't know if I can even get you in the picture here. There we go. My little shop here isn't very big. Actually, it was a storage room that I got a table put in, and so I could come in here and do this during the cold weather. So it's not a very big area. Oh, I got my shirt. Oh, and my oxygen hose. My oxygen line there. My cannula. Yeah. I don't know, ladies and gentlemen, but it's here. I gotta get the very tip top here. Well, I would say 1 coat of this is going to be just about right. And I usually put 2 to 3 coats of polyurethane on. And when I get this wiped down, I will pick the camera up and I'll show you what I do here. Okay. Okay, there's the first coat. I'm going to move the camera here. That's the first coat. I hope you can see it, other than my cluttered little shop. But I will come back to you on this one. Probably be tomorrow before I can get at it. This is really fast drying, but I really like it to sit and dry for a day. So we'll come back tomorrow and see what we can do about putting another coat on it. Okay, bye-bye.